Hello guys, this is your friend again, Armando, the guy with the two-handle snow shovel. So I want to show you what we did over here. We dug out all of this, all cement to install this shower base, right? And then we mixed the cement, the concrete with sand or whatever, but I cleaned already most of the concrete. Some concrete still there, but it doesn't matter. The thing is that I want to show you that my shovel is not just for snow, it's not just for snow, right? You can also use it for construction, concrete, cement, sand, even garbage. You could pick out garbage. So, all right, so I'll show you. I'll give you a little demo. And just please let me know what you think, okay? All right, here we go. If you have the regular shovel, you will be doing this. And this is heavy, right? It pulls you to the front. It pulls you to the front. Yes. If you have the second handle, it makes it much easier for you. What? You align with your body. Just pick it up like a dumbbell or a grocery bag. See, for the groceries. Okay. You can go like this. See? Put it up here. Watch. You can push handle at the same time. You can push into the dirt. See? And you bring it to me. Pick it up next to you. Right? You can also do this. Right? You can go like this. Very easy. See? You can do this. Like this. Just walk towards the load. You pick it up right next to you, right? And you do it here. Or pull up the load, right? Then you can just put it here. So you are right here. You don't have to bend over. And the shovel doesn't have to pull you to the front. Just pick it up right next to you, see? See? See what I'm doing? Then you put it here. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please comment and like.